Right, we're looking at simplifying expressions here, and first part we've got to simplify although that expression with loads of a's in. Right, so we've got 1a here, plus 2a's, plus 5a's, take away 4a's. So essentially you're going 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 5, 8, take away 4, leaves me with 4a's. Okay, so remember this is 4 lots of a, or minus 4 lots of a. Okay. Now then, change the colour. We've got to go to blue this time. So we've got 3p's minus p. Now we look at like terms. So 3p's minus 1p. We've got 2q's plus another 4q's. Remember the sign in front of each term goes with that term. So 3p minus p, 2p's, 2q plus 4q, 6q's. So there you go. Now then, change the colour again. We'll go to green this time. Okay, so this, well, there's a load of n's there, but n squared is not the same as n. So those two we can simplify. We get 4n squareds, right, because there's 1 here and there's 3 here. We've got 5n, we've got minus 7. Now those aren't like terms. If this was minus 7n, then it would be a like term, but it's not. So we can only simplify the n squared parts there. So there we go. Okay, now then we're going to move on to expanding brackets. I do this using a table. Now, I've done a relatively tough one. I mean, they're all about the same, to be fair. But I've done one like this because I want to show you what happens when you multiply letters by each other. So 2 times 3, 2 times 3 is 6, we know that. But y times y gives me y squared. When we multiply something by itself, you end up by squaring it, don't you? So y times y is exactly the same. Remember, the letters in algebra are just numbers in disguise. Work like numbers, act like numbers, do the same thing as numbers. Okay, so y times y is y squared. Now, 2y times minus 7 minus 14y is essentially, if I ask you what 7 lots of 2y are, it'd be 14y, but it's minus 7 lots of 2y, which gives you minus 14y, or negative 14y. Now then, go to blue. Where's blue? There it is. Now with this, we've got 2 brackets, and we're looking to simplify. We've got 3 lots of 2x plus 1 minus 5 lots of, where is it, x minus 4. Okay, so these are just multiplication tables that you've seen before. Well, that's not a very good plus, is it? There we go, I'll just change that. Plus, there we go. Oh, that's still not a very good plus. There we go, right. 3 lots of 2x, 6x, 3 lots of 1, 3. Now, this is the second one you've got to be careful with. You're multiplying by minus 5, or negative 5 here. So negative 5 lots of x is negative 5x. Negative 5 lots of negative 4 is positive 20. All right, now then, what I then do is write out all the bits here down. All right, I don't try and do too many steps at once. Okay, and now I can actually try and join the like terms. So we've got 6x minus 5x, which gives me just 1x, or x. And I've got plus 3 plus 20, which gives me plus 23. You've got to be really careful with this negative 5 times negative 4 here. Negative 5 times negative 4. Right, that's where the common mistakes are. It's minus 5 lots of that whole bracket.